What's up, Team T, baby?
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the
Alright, you guys, so today I'm excited to share with you. We are sitting in a little bit of a different area of my room, taking a break from shooting from that side so you can get a different scenery. But anyways, besides the point, if you work from home like I do, if you work from the computer, your phone, in front of the camera, whatever it is, 99.9% of this world, I don't know who doesn't have a cell phone, you guys must be protecting those pretty eyes of yours, okay? Because I've shared with you in the past that the blue light through your phone and through your computer does affect your eyeballs, and you need to be protecting your eyeballs at all times. So sometimes I even forget to wear my blue light glasses, but I already feel like so much better when I put these on because of looking at my phone all day and the computer. So I was talking about it on my Instagram, TBabyLove2, that I had 4 new pairs of glasses that I wanted to share with you guys, different styles, because they have all different kinds of styles at Inmix glasses. And I also got a blue light tester so I can show you guys exactly how it's going to protect your eyeballs. Now, yes, I promote everything, all fitness, healthy lifestyle, beauty, you name it, but beauty is pain, and it is painful on your eyeballs if you are not protecting them. But really, blue light glasses are really popular. They actually have them at all different kinds of stores, even like fashion stores now. I've seen them. So we're gonna go through the ones that I got so I can show you the style I got, but I just want to test these for you guys really quick. And look at these cases that the Inmix glasses come in. Super classy, because remember, you guys, we are classy, and it comes with the cleaner. But I'm gonna show you guys how this works with protecting your eyeballs. Okay, so they give you this blue light protect blocker test. So what I'm going to do is, look, I'm going to check this out. I'm going to show you when you press here with the blue light, you see how dark that is? That is hurting your freaking eyeballs. So now we're going to put the glasses in front. Let's wait for it to go away so you don't think I'm cheating. We'll do this side. We're going to put the glasses in front. And we're going to test. Look, if I rub the light in front of the blue light, we are safe here. We are protected. No blue rays hitting our eyeballs. So the reason why I say this involves a lot to do with beauty, health, skincare, everything, is because if you're not wearing your SPF, even inside, sis, you're not going to get the glowing skin. And guys, too, you guys need to wear your SPF. I'm not kidding. If you want me to do like a skincare routine, which is off topic right now, I can do that for you, but never skip your SPF. You want to look 20 years younger when you're older, then listen to me. So these are the first ones I got. Super classy. I think that these are actually my favorites from what I've seen so far, but I have not tried them on all yet. So what do we think? And I have the names of everything and the discount for you, so I will put that in the description below. But these ones are really cute. They're like a clear with a little bit of a design at the top. And then we have these blue ones. I'm just throwing out all different. Oh, she looks like a teacher. She looks very sophisticated. What do you guys think? You guys have to vote which one is your favorite below, but I think these are very nice. They're like a blue on the outside. Blue like marble, it looks like. And then we have, I'm just going for different styles that I've never seen before because shoot, first of all, I work by myself at home. Ooh, look at the design on her. She is cute. These ones are purple. Oh, I look like the principal of your school. Y'all better listen up. Look at how cute these are though. Like the design and the shape. I'm here for it. I would wear these even if I wasn't looking at the computer screen just to look cute. But you want to wear these when you're even looking at your phone too. Like I have noticed that I feel so much more tired and my eyes feel so much heavier when I don't have these on from staring at my screen all day, literally, because if I'm not editing, I'm doing something on my phone and whatnot. And then the last ones we have, now these are very different, but I thought these were so cute because like, tell me these don't look like old school, new school. I'm here for you. No, but really, I think these box ones, I'm feeling them. What do we think? Now, I would say my top 2 favorites are these two, but you guys let me know what's your favorites. And like I said, I'm gonna put the names because I forget all the names to these. I think one was like cat eye, I don't know. I'll put them in the description for you along with a code for you guys, discount. I always hook you up no matter what. And if you guys do shop through any of the links, just know that it supports your girl. So I love you all for that. And thank you for always being here and supporting my channel. I appreciate every single one of you. And we have so much new content coming. So yeah, don't forget to protect your eyeballs, you guys. And if you want me to drop that skincare routine, just let me know. Holla. And I will see you all soon. And I love you, Team T, baby.